continents of the world. Do you know there are 7 continents in the world? 1. Asia. 2. Africa. 3. North America. 4. South America. 5. Australia. 6. Europe. 7. Antarctica. Let's take first continent, Asia. Asia is the largest continent in our world, both in size and population. It has 1/3 land area of the earth. China is the largest country by population. The Himalayas between Nepal and China are the highest mountain in the world. The biggest lake in Asia is Caspian Sea. The coastline is shared by 5 countries. Longest river in Asia is Yangtze in China. Gobi Desert is the largest desert in Asia and 5th largest desert in the world. Asia, more than 2300 languages are available. In Asia, there are monkeys, cheetah, tiger, Asian elephant and many others. Now we will cover our second continent, Africa. Africa is second largest continent in size and population. There are 54 countries in Africa. More than 1.3 billion people live here. The biggest island is Madagascar in Indian Ocean. The longest river in the world is Nile, which passes through 11 countries. The Sahara is the largest food desert in the world. Now let's do third continent, which is North America. There are 23 countries in North America. The largest country is Canada. The biggest city is Mexico. The biggest island is Greenland. The main language is English in North America, and Spanish and French are second languages. Endangered animals live here like American bison, banana bat, hill cougar. Is third largest in area, fourth largest in population. Lake Superior is the largest freshwater lake in the world. Now our next continent is South America. South America is 4th largest continent in size and 5th in population. There are 12 countries in South America. Largest country is Brazil and longest river is Amazon. Most of South Americans are Catholics. Highest waterfall in the world is Angel Falls. Amazon rainforest provides 6% of world oxygen. Now our next continent is Europe. Europe is second smallest continent in size and third largest in population. There are 50 countries in Europe. Moscow is the largest city. The largest country is Russia. Vatican City is smallest country in the world. Europe has highest population density. There are 200 languages in Europe. There are no desert in Europe. Europe is rich continent in the world. Now our next continent is Australia. Australia is a country as well as continent. It is largest exporter of coal. Australia is 6th largest country by area. There are unique animals in Australia like koala, kangaroo, emu and kookaburra. Now our last continent continent is Antarctica. Antarctica is bigger than Europe and double than Australia. It is mostly covered by ice. Penguin and seals live here. 80% of Earth's ice is found here. One only comes here for research. So that's all about continents of the world.